Would you like to improve your knowledge of finance in order to take the right decisions and contribute to the success of your business? Would you like to feel more comfortable when you discuss about financial topics with experts? If the answer to both questions is yes, you are at the right place. During the Finance for Non-Financial Managers course, you will learn to read financial reports and identify which information is relevant to your decision making. You will understand how much your product or service costs, how the optimal selling price is determined, and how your company can make more money. During the seminar, you also learn how to take the right investment decisions and choose the right projects. And you will learn how to present a budget and measure the performance of your business. What is our approach? A very accessible and interactive training. More than 70% of the course consists of teamwork in small groups, simulations and case studies. Until now, this didactical approach has been accepted by more than 5,000 participants who gave it an average rating of 4.5 out of 5. This in a nutshell. My name is Igor Magdalenic. I'm your lecturer at IEDC-Bled School of Management and hope to see you soon.